Hello viewers, today we are topic about discuss on the basis of hydrolysis and complexity of carbohydrate. These are categorized into three general category on the basis of hydrolysis and complexity. First monosaccharide, second oligosaccharide and third polysaccharide. Now, first monosaccharide. These are the simple sugar. Monosaccharide is simple sugar which can be hydrolyzed further into simple su- further into simple sugar. Simple sugar. It consists of a single polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone unit. Simple sugar consists of a single polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone unit. These are sweet in taste and soluble in water. These are sweet in taste and soluble in water. These are the building units of complex carbohydrates. The classical example of these are as follow: glucose and fructose. This is a structure of glucose ring and fructose. Glucose CHO. Glucose have 6 carbon C6H12O6. So now CHO HCOH HOCH HCOH HCOH CH2O. This is a glucose. And now fructose. CH2OH C double bond O HOCH HCOH HCOH CH2O. Now, second, oligosaccharides. What is oligosaccharide? Oligosaccharides are composed of a few monosaccharide unit. Upon hydrolysis, they yield monosaccharide units which may be similar or dissimilar. They yield monosaccharide unit which may be similar or dissimilar. Depending upon the number of monosaccharide molecule, the oligosaccharides are grouped into following categories. Now, disaccharide, trisaccharide and tetrasaccharide it is. This is an example of oligosaccharide. Now, first, disaccharide. Disaccharide, when two monosaccharides unit are contained together to form a saccharides, their saccharides are referred as disaccharide. The general formula of disaccharide is C12H22O12. The classical example of disaccharide are as follow, like maltose, lactose, sucrose. Now number third, polysaccharide. When large amount of monosaccharide unit are containing together to form a saccharide, that is, it is called as polysaccharide. The general polysaccharide are of two types according to their function: structural polysaccharide and storage polysaccharide. Structural polysaccharide are those polysaccharide which provide mechanical stability. Structural polysaccharide provide mechanical stability to cell organs and organisms, whereas storage polysaccharide are serve as stored carbohydrate. Storage polysaccharide serve as stored carbohydrates, glycose, that release monosaccharide as required. Polysaccharide may be homopolysaccharide or heteropolysaccharide. Monopolysaccharide contain only single type of monomer unit, whereas heteropolysaccharide contain different two or more different kind of monomeric unit. Now example of polysaccharide. Example of polysaccharide in plant: starch. Starch is the storage form of glucose in plant. It contains mixture of amylose and amylopectin unit, in which glucose molecule are joined by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond or alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycosidic bond respectively. And example of polysaccharide in animals, glycogen. It is the storage form of glucose carbohydrate in animals, found mostly in the liver and muscle. Found mostly in the liver and muscle. It is a highly branched chain of glucose molecule which are contained together by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycosidic bond respectively. So guys, this is all about all the on the basis of hydrolysis and complexity of carbohydrate. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching this video.